Hi guys, welcome back to class. Now, in this class, we are going to be talking about bull run and everything that um, brings about the bull run. Some time back, I saw a joke of someone who asked that he wanted to buy the bull run coin. I felt it was a joke, those things that people used just to jest about. Then, a few days ago, someone sent me a message that he would like to buy bull run. And honestly, my first reaction was, are you trying to crack me up? Are you joking with me? But the fact remains that he didn't understand what the bull run is. And this morning again, I saw another person's message and said, how do we buy the bull run? So it means that many people are hearing bull run, yet they don't understand what bull run is. So in this video, we're going to explain what bull run is, and we're going to look at how you participate in it and the things that you really need to understand while the bull run is ongoing. All right. So, by definition, bull run refers to a prolonged period of rising price in the financial market, which means in this case, we're talking about the crypto market, driven by strong investor confidence and positive market sentiment. A lot of people are right now listening and seeing what is going on in the crypto space. Some are going to take advantage early, but some will wait till there's this huge surge, and that's when they will start buying. They have the confidence, okay, it's already going up, let me buy into this market and take advantage of the market. Now, these entries into the market constitute part of what makes the bull run possible, because this bull run that we're talking about is actually a gathering of people coming together to do certain activities in the crypto market. Now, the key features of this bull run is increased buying activity, positive news and market optimism, and higher trading volume. Because of positive news that will be flowing into the market, flowing from mainstream news, activities going on from institutional buyers, CNN, BBC, countries are buying into crypto, people are investing. This news, as long as they keep going into the social media, the TVs, but the newspapers and more people see it, you'll find out there will be increased buying activity of the coin, and hence it will give higher trading volume, which hence pushes the price of the tokens to their new all-time high. This example happened in 2017, when that year Bitcoin started with $1,000 and ended the year with like close to $20,000. So these are the things that happen when bull run takes place. Um, Increased adoption is part of the things that causes the market to be bullish. More and more people and businesses adopt cryptocurrency. Even right now, we have more people adopting cryptocurrency because of the benefits that is inherent inside of the digital currency space. Institutional investments, entry of large players like hedge funds and companies. You can see what's happening if you follow the financial space very well. You can see that a lot of big buyers are now coming in. We have uh, the likes of BlackRock, Fidelity, and the rest. Even countries, presidents, governments, they are buying into this crypto madness, to so to say. Market sentiments, positive news, technological advancements, or regulatory clarity is going to um, contribute its quota to the growth of money. Then limited supply, scarcity of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin fuels demands, because Bitcoin in its total supply has only 21 million units, and the more people are buying, the higher it's going, the higher the price gets. Now, this fuels a kind of um, what do I call it? FOMO. We call it FOMO, fear of missing out. So a lot of people now come to like, okay, let me buy before this thing finishes, and that contributes to the growth also. Economic factors like inflation or distrust in traditional financial system. Right now, a lot of us have lost trust in our normal traditional financial system. That's speaking about the banks. And a whole lot of things happen that has made us to lose interest or to lose trust for them. Of course, if we consider the way that our monies are being yanked out without accountability, if we consider the costs of even storing your money in the bank, talking about inflation, because your money that you put in the bank January as of today is no longer, I'm not talking about this January, I'm talking about January 2024. Yes, January 2025 makes it 1 year, but even at that, you have lost so much value on that money. So the banking system has lost trust. Hence, more people are beginning to divert their money into the digital currency space. Now, this chart that you're looking in your front right now shows how the bull run has been recorded over time. The entire crypto space started in the year 2009 and the coin started at 0.003. Now, the green bar is what represents the bull run year. So, if you can look at it from 2009 to 2013, the coin, Bitcoin, rose to as high as $600. Then it crashed in 2014. And by 2017, it picked up again and it got to $19,800 that year. And by 2018, it crashed again and then it picked up again. 4 years journey, and by 2021 it was at 69,000. Now if you look at this, let's count it from 2009 to 2010, 2000, sorry, 2009 to 2012. The blue bars, those are the halving years. Now, the Bitcoin halving years are the ones that determine the bull run. Just a few period after the halving years is what gives birth to the bull run season. And that's why you have the green bar coming after the bull bar. Now, after the green bar comes the red bar, which is a season we call the dip. Whatever would have happened in the market, people will sell off when the all the coins peak, when they get to their all-time high, people will sell off and every coin will come tumbling down. Every person that has participated, positioned themselves, will sell when the coins are high, and the entire value of the coins will start tumbling down. Now, once upon a time, when I first of all bought my first set of coins, legitimate coins, I would say, that was Bitcoin 2017. I didn't really understand what the bull run was all about. I just bought it and I didn't even realize that 2017 was a bull run year. Then come 2021, that Bitcoin that I bought in 2017 had given me like 2 or close to 3x of the money that I invested. Then I also went ahead to buy some other coins in 2021. We were all felicitating that, oh, we had made so much money. But guess what? I didn't know that I would still lose these monies to the market. Most of the monies that we made fizzled away, melted into the market because we didn't know when to get out of the market. So, this calls for absolute knowledge as per how to operate in the bull run season. So, wealth creation potential in a bull run, because of the rapid growth of price, a lot of people will make money, but not everybody though. The set of people that will make money are the set of people that have positioned themselves, that have bought coins to hold. Those are the people that will make money. Significant price appreciation in short periods is what you see in the bull run. That's exactly what you see in the bull run season. You invest little amount of money and boom, before you know what's going on, your money has increased. Now, bull run has stages, right? The first part of this particular bull run, this year 2025 bull run, the first part started in 2024, somewhat around August. So we have like gone some percentage into the bull run. I remember I bought a particular token in the month of February, yeah, and by March last year, yes, it had done like, I think that were like 5x for me, which was not a bad thing. And along the line of 2024, some other coins have appreciated and they have really done well for the holders. So experiencing the bull run is not a long period of time. You don't, it's not something like you sleep on. It doesn't stay for long. It's just like breezes in and breeze out. So you need to be prepared. Another example is the explosion of Ethereum when DeFi, this decentralized finance, became a thing in the space. Now, if you have the money, the best thing for you to do is to invest right now. Invest in profitable coins, tokens that have been investigated, that have been analyzed, and that will do well based on their narrative. Then, once you've bought those coins, you hold them, okay? Hold them. And the earlier you buy, the better for you. Now, another way you can also make money in the bull run is when you invest into emerging products. Emerging projects. There are some very fantastic projects that are coming up in the crypto space that once you position yourself, you invest in them, and you are part of the first comers, you are going to make a lot of money when it eventually manifests and becomes a thing. Okay. Then growth in DeFi, NFT, and altcoins are also ways that you can make money. Now, DeFi means decentralized finance. DeFi is a space where your coins are totally controlled by you, where smart contracts is the order of the day, where you are not what you do, you are in total control of it. Okay, you can choose to buy your coins in the DeFi space, sell your coins in the DeFi space. Nobody is regulating, unlike the centralized exchanges and all. You'll get to know more about that in the course of the program. Okay, then compounding your returns, reinvesting your profit for exponential growth. Now, compounding your returns can come in various ways. Either you are restaking the return on investment from your stake, or you are redeploying the money that you have made from a particular token to another one. Of course, it is possible. What if you invest in a token with $50, and at the end of the day you're making like $800? You have made some good amount of money. So the best thing for you is to pick out another bunch of cash and reinvest in some other tokens that must have been analyzed, and you have seen that they are doing fine, and you wait. Now, these charts in front of you have picked out some very fantastic results that have taken place in this space, especially um, a very significant one that took place. Um, I think that was December, early December last year, 2024, and that was investment in Peanut. In this space we have different types of tokens. You will learn that, and in this particular investment I'm talking about, this particular returns, the person that participated, that did this, invested just $17, and to his wildest surprise, with that $17 he made $3 million. Yes, this kind of things happen in this space. The kind of inflow of wealth that comes through the crypto space is deafening. As in, people look at you and they will ask you, how did you do it? You yourself, you will not be able to understand, you'll not be able to explain. It's just, should we call it a stroke of luck or something? But then most times it's not a stroke of luck, it is knowing what to buy and when to buy. Another fantastic profit that turned in 2017 was investment in Mudeng. Mudeng is another coin that was brought into the market by Coinbase, and imagine somebody investing 1.3 thousand dollars to make $12.45 million. Isn't that crazy? Then we also had this kind of growth in 2000. I think that was 2018 thereabout, when Pepe of $260 went to $5.3 trillion. And the one I personally missed out in 2017 was the investment of BNB, which came at 0.03 at the origin, and it closed at $289 in the last bull run of 2021, which would have made me like um, some very crazy results. I'm talking about converting 36,500 into a whooping 1.1 billion naira. But guess what? I missed it because I didn't have the knowledge. Then sheep. This was one I practically saw, but I didn't experience it. I saw people that experienced it. I spent out of their money because they were close to me, but I didn't invest into it. I didn't buy into it. Sheep with $2. Someone invested $2 in sheep in 2020, and by June 2021, that $2 grew into $300,000. I know someone else who invested $20 in February, and by end of March, May, yeah, thereabout, he had quadrupled the money. I know of a friend who put $50 and he came out with $63,000. So these are the kind of monies that you can actually make in the bull run season. But then, without positioning, without buying, without investing, you cannot. You just be part of the stories. Now, during this season, there are some risk factors that you must consider. You don't just ape into any coin because they say this is a bull run season. No, you have to know what you are buying. You don't just buy. It's not every coin that will do well. All right. And I'm sure that you considering to buy into the coin, you will not want, you're not looking at a profit of 2x. When I mean 2x, you're not looking at investing $100 and then getting $200. That's not the kind of money you are looking for in this season. You are looking for like investing $100 and getting a whooping $1 million. That will shake you to the foundation. Okay, that's kind of money we are aiming for in the bull run season. So, what are the risks that you can encounter in the bull run season? One is market volatility. Prices can drop suddenly, even in an upward trend. We in this case we have what we call the upward trend. Then we also have what we have called the downward trend. Upward trend usually happen during the bull run season when the market is moving up. Even when it is reversing, it is still on the upward trend. So once the coin drops some percentages down, your heartbeat might start to skip. You don't have to be afraid because it is already set. Okay, you don't have to be afraid. Then speculative bubble, overvaluation of assets leading to a potential crash. Yes, there are some assets that they just speculate, they just say it's going to do well, blah blah blah, no narrative, no use case, and especially if it goes on social media, let's say Twitter, or someone like Elon Musk comes in to just mention the name or something related to it, and you see people buying and buying. At the end of the day, because the coin does not have anything to sustain it, it drops and it becomes a bubble. Then timing risk. Entering late in the bull run can result in losses when the trend reverses. This is one particular area you have to be very mindful of. Now, this course that you are joining now, this is the best time. This, or though you are late, a little bit late, but this is a good time for you to take position, because even right now the market has is in reversal. The market has reversed based on the fact that December was a celebration. People had to take out monies from their savings, from their investments, from their trades and all that. So the markets, it reversed massively. I think the market reversed up to like 15 to 20%. And this is a good time for a new person, someone who wants to participate, who wants to take advantage of bull run, to buy, because it will get to a point when, if you buy, you will be buying at the all-time high, and it means that you are buying from those that are already selling, those are taking profit. You are assuming that you are buying, you want to take profit, but it may be too late. You might just be doing what we call FOMO, fear of missing out. Oh, I don't want to miss out. I don't want to miss out. See, this thing is going up, oh, and I should have bought it since. So let me just ape in. And you ape in only to discover that the market is already dropping. Then another thing you should look out for in this period is scams and fraud. This particular one is very, very important, because just like you're looking for money to buy coins to make it big, the scammers and the thieves are out there also looking for ways to scam you of that little money that you think you don't have, so that they can add to their own portfolio. So you really need to be very vigilant, very, very vigilant, and you must know what to do. Increased activities of fraudulent projects in is very, very paramount. Is very, 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 very um available in this period, in this season. A lot of projects will keep coming. A lot of project comes up every, even coins come up, and before you know what's going on, in the next 2 3 minutes it has been rock pulled and your money is far gone, just because they want to make money. Now, everything that happens in the bull run is resting on the market cycle. Market cycles are the natural ups and downs in value of investment, like stocks, cryptocurrencies, or real estate. Now think of it like the normal seasons, raining season, winter, summer, and all. There are times when prices rise. That's during the spring, during the summer, during the hot season. That's because people are excited, people are buying, and times when prices fall during the cold season, because people are selling and people are cautious. This cycle happens because of changes in emotion, in market demand, and economic factors. Understanding market cycle helps you to know when to buy, sell, hold, as you can make smart investment decisions. So, another thing that contributes to the movement of the market is the season. Okay. Now, I said earlier that in the crypto space we have four we have season. Yeah, we have two seasons, two main seasons in the crypto space, which is the bull season and the bear season. The bull season is when the bull run happens. The bull season is when there's so much excitement, when so much money goes into the market and everybody is making profit. While the bear season is when there is a decrease, there is a crash. So people call it crash, but we call it dip, when the market returns and goes deep. Now, if you understand the market very well, even when the market deepens, the people that understand the market will still make money from the market. Okay, so the things that determine the growth and the crash depends on emotions, economy, and then human feelings and the market. So it's not as if it's like written on stone. It's like, it's just like that. Okay, a child is born, the child must pass through phases, and the child must grow, the child must, that's exactly how the market is. So the crypto market is reborn every four years. It reborns, it grows, and then it gets to the peak, it dips again, it grows, and then it gets to the peak, and that's how it's going to continue for a long time. But this particular 2025 bull run is very, very important. Why? Because it is this period that institutional buyers are coming into the market. What do I mean by institutional buyers? Before now, a lot of companies, a lot of government, a lot of countries, big institutions do not believe in crypto. But right now, they know that with the way things are with the fiat currency, The only salvation that is that's available anywhere close is digital currency. So these institutions are now taking position, buying Bitcoin. For instance, BlackRock has acquired over 200,000 Bitcoin so that they can carry out ETF. It means that after this period, after this bull run, the next bull run might not be as exciting as this particular bull run. So, if you would take my advice, this is the one that you should fix your mind on, that I must actually take my own share. Money is going to change hands. Wealth is going to change hands. New sets of millionaires are being created in the crypto space every single day. Though some of them are created based on knowledge, based on trading activity, based on knowing how to buy into the market and come out of the market and make money every day, printing money every day. But for those people that do not know how that operates, the best time to take advantage of the market is to join when the bull run is about to happen. Yes, you can learn about every other thing after, but right now, the best thing that you can do for yourself is to allow your money work for you here right now. Okay, so um strategies for navigating a bull run. Good. The first thing is you must do your research, do your own research, invest in credible projects with strong fundamentals. Like I said, you don't just go into the market to just buy anything. You go into the market with knowledge, do your own research, set your goals, define profit targets and exit strategies to avoid emotional decisions. Okay, emotional decisions, e.g., fear of missing out. Fear of missing out. Oh, I don't want to miss out on this coin. This coin is already going. Oh, she not leave me behind. That is an emotional decision. Then diversify. Spread your investment across multiple cryptocurrencies and sectors. Don't just buy one coin and then you keep it. Like, if you are not BlackRock, if you are not CBN, if you are not the presidency, if you are not Dangote, my advice is don't buy Bitcoin for now. You can come back and buy it during the dip, but for now, don't buy into Bitcoin. Rather, buy into coins that have new narratives in the market, have new algorithms and coins that have very powerful use cases. Okay, then secure your investment. Use secure wallets and avoid leaving funds on exchanges. We are going to learn um, how to use exchanges. Then we're also going to learn how to use wallets. The best place your money can be in this season is in your wallet. Reason is because most exchanges, once the bull run sets in and people want to withdraw their money, most exchanges may start an upgrade. Most exchanges may not want so much money to leave their vote. Hence, they will start doing some abracadabra kind of thing. They might not send you an OTP when you need it. They might tell you that they are going for upgrade. They might just start giving you one story or the other. And even some exchanges close down during the bull run. So when you move your money into your wallet, you are safeguarded from stories for the gods, stories that touch. Then stay informed. Keep up with market trends, news, and regulatory updates. You cannot do without them because this is not a trend that you see physically everywhere. You just have to keep in, you must be intentional about knowing what's going on in the space. If not, you might just end up losing your money back to the market. So the bull run is here, and I am sure you also want to tell a good tale. Come December 2025, you want to be counting your profits and not your losses. So I'm going to encourage you, get ready, get some money, even if you have to borrow. Yes, I can say that even if you have to borrow, but don't borrow the one that will choke you. Okay, get yourself into the bull run. It is something that you will never regret. Thank you very much for paying attention, and do have a wonderful time. We will definitely continue the class as we go on. Thank you, and God bless you.